Hi everyone. Today we're going to be working a little bit more with nouns. So specifically we're going to be talking about singular and plural nouns. So now if you could remind me, what is a noun? Well, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So keeping that in mind, singular nouns means that there's only one person or one place or one thing. There cannot be more than one. It is singular. So if I read the sentence, the pig is getting angry, the word pig is singular because there's only one pig. There's not multiple pigs getting angry, just one pig. The same goes for the next sentence. It says, he was holding a baseball. Well, there's only one baseball. It doesn't say he was holding baseballs, just one baseball. So baseball is a singular noun. Now, plural nouns means that there's two or more people, two or more places, or two or more things. So there has to be more than one. So if I read the sentence, the dogs were running in the yard. Well, there's more than one dog because there's an S at the end of dogs. So there's multiple dogs running in the yard. That means dogs is a plural noun because plural means there's more than one. The next sentence is the same way as well. My brothers are wrestling. Well, I know there's more than one brother because there's an S at the end of brothers. So that means there's more than one brother, which means it is a plural noun. The word brothers is a plural noun. Now, it might be hard to figure out how do you make nouns plural? Because for each word, it's a little bit different. Well, most of the time, we can just add an S to the end of the noun to make it plural. So here are some examples. You see there's boy, and then if you wanted to make that plural, you just add that S on the end. That's it. The same goes for apple. It's spelled the same way, A-P-P-L-E, and then you add that S on the very end. Coat turns into coats, table into tables. All of these are just adding an S at the end. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. If the noun ends in the letter S, SH, CH, X, or Z, then you add ES to the end of the noun. It's no longer just an S. You add both the letter E and S. So looking at the word fox, it ends in the letter X. So we know we're going to add ES. So we'll still spell fox, F-O-X, and then add that ES to the end. The same goes for dish. If we want to talk about multiple dishes, then we'll write D-I-S-H and then add ES to the very end. How about beach? Well, we know that beach ends in CH. So we come up here, we see that it's CH. That means that we have to add ES to the end. So we write beach again, and then tack on that ES. And the same goes for this CH, or the SH. So wish ends in SH. So we come up here, we see if the noun ends in SH, we have to add ES. So if we're talking about multiple wishes, we write W-I-S-H and then add that ES to the very end. Okay, so now that we looked over those two, we're going to practice just a little bit. So the first sentence says, there are many blank with tiny berries. Now the word that we're going to make plural that goes into that blank is bush. Now I know there's multiple bushes, so the word is going to be bushes. There are many bushes with tiny berries. But how do we spell it? Well, up here I have, remember if the noun ends in S, SH, CH, X, or Z, then you add the ES. Everything else you're just going to add an S for right now. We'll learn more rules tomorrow, but for right now. So we know bush ends in SH, and that is one of the ones. So we add an ES to the end of the noun. So if you said you spell bushes as B-U-S-H-E-S, you would be correct. Now the next sentence says, my blank taught me how to ride a bike. And we're going to use the plural form of uncle, which will be uncles, because we're talking about more than one uncle. Multiple uncles taught me how to ride a bike. So I look at the end of uncle, I see that it ends in an E. But up here, there's S, SH, CH, X, and Z. That doesn't count. So at the end of this, we just add an S. U-N-C-L-E-S. All right. So this one you do by yourself. Let's see if you can get it right. It says, in the third game, all the blank hit the ball. Now, we know we're going to put the plural form of player, because that's here at the end. You're going to put players here. But how do you spell it? Do we add an ES or do we just add an S? Well, we come up and we see that it ends in R. Is that any of these? Nope. So we don't add ES. If you said players was spelled with P-L-A-Y-E-R-S, then you would be correct. All right. So now that we've practiced together, you guys are going to go to your Google form, and there's going to be multiple choice questions, and you're going to choose the plural form of the word given, or of the words that are given. So if it said, what's the plural form of bush, you would choose the option that spells it B-U-S-H-E-S. All right. Good luck, everyone.